Okay. Wait, guys, let me fix my hair. Don't want to be a meme in front of social media. Okay. Short ready? Okay, great. So, a very hearty and cheerful morning to all the dignitaries present over here. Myself Janvi Shah and I'm over here as Priyanka Chopra. Respect everyone's time if you want your time to be respected. Yeah, this is a line which taught me a lot and I'm sure it will teach you also a lot. And one day I was asked, what is confidence? What does this mean for me? So here's my answer, guys. Confidence is the best SSL. All you need is to wear it well. You know, confidence is the key to succeed in life. I don't think it is something a child is born with. It is a skill set. And you know, if you are confident about yourself, whole world is, because perception is reality. As a growing up child, I didn't have any confidence. I was a girl with low self-esteem. And to be very honest, I didn't know what does this mean. But I had one thing, ability to do hard work, and that's what I did. And I am standing over here in front of you all. I taught myself something, and that is confidence. Then I sort of said, I am okay, I am great, I am great to me. And you know, confidence will teach you also a lot of things, because bad days comes to everyone. That doesn't mean that you are bad. Situation is not good. But sometimes it comes to me and sometimes to you. It's okay not to come out of bad. But that doesn't mean that you are flawed. And if you are, you should be happy because no one is perfect. None of us. And that is something which makes us human different from AI. And you don't need to live for someone else's validation. Live for your own self. We have this crazy shit, internet, where everything should be perfect. You have to behave perfect, you have to post perfect, you have to be right in each and every manner. And no one is, yeah, that's fine. Why don't you need to live for someone else's validation? You know, whatever you do it for yourself. You'll start loving yourself. One day a man posted a comment on my post. You are clumsy, you are klutz, you don't look nice. This dress doesn't suit your body type, you know, whatever. But I was like, that's great. This is what is his point of view about me. And that doesn't matter to me. I don't need to live for him. I need to live for myself. Whenever I stand in front of mirror, I should have an eye contact with my own self, not with others. And that is something which needs a lot of confidence. Just whenever you reach your home, just try it once. Stand in front of mirror and have an eye contact and say that I am great. I love myself in whatever way I am. I would love to live for my own self. And that day you will start living, because this world is going to put you in the boxes of stereotypes. And I am sure you are going to sit in a corner and cry that this is my mistake. I'm not the good one. You are the best one, my dear. The only thing you need is to come out of these boxes and prove yourself the best one. Before you're proving yourself to other, prove yourself to yourself. When you will do this, you will learn confidence. And this is how I learned confidence. Just once listen to me and try come out of these boxes. And the best way to come out of these boxes is, you know, just avoid this crazy internet, what you gently call it, social media. Just avoid it once. Your life is going to be great. You will start loving yourself. And trust me, love your flaws. That is something which makes you human, which makes you way different from others. And that day, you will be a great human. Trust me. And one more thing I want you all to learn is humanity. You know, confidence and humanity will make you a best person. Because this world is incomplete without humans. You know, we are all becoming AI and robot. We don't have feelings. We don't have feelings for our parents, our brothers, any of the relations, any. We don't have feelings. Why? Whatever we do with our father on a, every morning I wake up, especially on Father's Day, I love you daddy, I love you mama on Mother's Day, and other day they don't matter to you. What is this? They live for you. Respect them and see, there's a lot more gonna change. Trust me. Do this and try this today itself. Everything will change. Thank you.